So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Aave crypto or AAVE here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, go to the bottom middle and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, where it says at the top explore, search by name or symbol, go ahead and select that and type in AAVE. So the ticker symbol and the name is the exact same, so it's pretty simple to remember, but just go ahead and select it. And then go to the bottom and where it says buy, the green button, select that. Once you're here, you can type in how much of the crypto that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $7 worth, you would type in 7 and then simply just press review. Then once you're on this page, you can review the order. So you can check the amount of AAVE that you're buying, the fees, the cost, etc. And if this looks good, you want to proceed. Go to the bottom and you can swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy AAVE cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.